Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. We've got a 500-gallon TMG pit rolling out shop today. This one on skids, going to my man Corey. Now, hey, Corey, he's got a TMG already. He's got TMG Volunteer. He got that thing, and it just wasn't enough for him, guys. So we got him hooked up. I think this is going to work for him. TMG 500 on skids. Now, guys, this is our basic 500. It's got one option. You'll see here in a minute. Standard 500 here, fold down stack. That's standard. I ain't going to charge you extra. Counterweights, that comes on a 500. 1.5 ball valve grease drain, fully insulated firebox, all that standard. The one add-on we got here, guys, we got the triple rack grate in there, all right? You got your bottom grates. They are removable. They do not slide out. They're just fixed in there. And then he wanted a little more room, so boom, we got him hooked up with not one, but two sliding top racks in here. So quite a bit more room when you do that. If you're looking for just the most cooking room possible, that is a great option for you. We can do that in a 500, 750, or 1,000 gallon. It's a little tight on a 250. You can see those double racks, counterweighted doors, makes it nice and light. TMG Pits tail tooth thermometers, of course. You can see all of our hand fabricated handles, hinges, counterweights, everything's three-dimensional. Really take our time in making this thing stand out. Before I trip over this pile of stainless steel wire mesh here, open this up. Fully insulated firebox, like I said, guys. 3-inch thick door, insulated. We got a 24-inch pipe in here, wrapped with insulation. Front of it's insulated as well. Holds heat, very nice. This makes this smoker run like a dream. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.